Good morning class. In the last lecture we have just learned about the uses of lithium, potassium and cesium in the last particular topic. Today we are starting with the anomalous properties of lithium, in which we are just talking about the lithium first. Lithium has very small size, and because of its small size as well as it is having very small ionic as well as atomic radius, and lithium is the one which has no d orbital, no electron in the d orbital. So it is there having a different property from rest of the family members. That means lithium की जो property है वो उसके जो बाकी के members हैं उससे थोड़ी अलग है. But उसके अलावा अगर बात करते हैं lithium की, it shows resemblance. That means it shows similarity with the second member magnesium. That means lithium is the very first family member of group 1, whereas it shows such of the similarity with group 2 member magnesium, second atom or second element of the group 2 family member magnesium. So that is known as diagonal relationship. The first member shows similarity with the second member of the respective group next group. So इसे हम बोलेंगे diagonal relationship. So that is about the anomalous property of lithium, in which we have just talked about that lithium has very small size as well as it has a very, we can say that small as well as atomic radius as well as ionic radius, and it is the one which has no electron in the d orbital. Due to that reason it is having some difference from its respective family members, though it is having similarity with the second group member magnesium. So lithium first family member है और magnesium second family member of the group 2 family. तो इसे हम बोलेंगे lithium has such of the similar property. उसका ionic radius है, atomic radius है, उसकी melting point है, वो कहीं ना कहीं magnesium से मिलते हैं. So that is known as diagonal relationship. Now we are talking about how it is differ with the respective member of its group. So we just talked about that particular, that how is it going to be differ from the other family member of alkali metals. So that is about the anomalous property. Here we see the difference of lithium with other alkali metals. सबसे पहला है lithium is the hardest among all the alkali metals. That means lithium का जो सोडियम है, पोटेशियम है, then we'll talk about the rubidium, cesium, francium. उससे hardest. Then melting point and boiling point of lithium are highest. Then other alkali metals, that is the second difference. Lithium forms monoxide, whereas other alkali metals they are going to form superoxide and peroxide. Already we have learned in the reaction towards oxygen or air. Then it is the strongest reducing agent than that of other alkali metals. दूसरे alkali metals भी reducing agent है, but comparatively other alkali metals lithium जो है वो strongest reducing agent है. Lithium hydroxide, whenever we are decomposed it or when we are just giving applied heat to it, it converts into lithium monoxide and water, whereas other alkali metal hydroxide they do not produce respective oxide. In same manner, lithium carbonate on heating respectively produce lithium oxide and carbon dioxide gas, whereas other alkali metal carbonates they do not produce lithium oxide as well as carbon dioxide gas. Then hydrogen carbonate, or we can say that bicarbonate. lithium bicarbonate और lithium hydrogen carbonate की अगर बात करते हैं हम लोग तो वो liquid form में होगा, it is in solution form, whereas other alkali metal bicarbonates are there in the solid form. So these are the difference which you can write. 3, 1, 3, 6 दो मार्क में पूछा था तो यू हैव टू राइट 4 एंड 3 मार्क्स में है तो यू हैव टू यूज लाइक 6 ऑफ द डिफरेंस. सबसे पहला है, फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं, lithium is the hardest among all the alkali metals. Melting point and boiling point of the lithium which is the highest than the other alkali metals. Lithium forms monoxide, whereas other they are going to form either superoxide or peroxide with oxidation state 0 to +1. Then after we are talking about its reducing nature, so we can say that lithium is the strongest reducing agent in that of other alkali metals. lithium hydroxide को अगर हीट करते हैं तो डिकम्पोज एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू lithium oxide, monoxide and water, whereas जो दूसरे अदर alkali metals हैं उसको अगर हम डिकम्पोज करेंगे तो रिएक्शन होगी नहीं. उसी तरह lithium carbonate whenever going to give heat to it, so it convert into, it decompose into lithium oxide or monoxide and carbon dioxide gas, जबकि दूसरे जो alkali metal hydrogen carbonate है वो होंगे नहीं. And lastly lithium hydrogen carbonate है या तो lithium bicarbonate है, it is there in a liquid form or we can say that it is there in the solution form, whereas other bicarbonate or lithium other than lithium hydrogen carbonate, other alkali metal carbonates, they are in the solid form. So these are the difference, how it is different from the other family members. lithium तो उसके दूसरे family members से वो कैसे अलग होता है, तो ये इसकी difference है. If you want to copy them, you can write them. You are moving at similarity with magnesium. वो magnesium के साथ कैसे similar है, that we are going to discuss in the next particular explanation. So if you want to copy them, copy it, then we are moving to the similarity of it. Children, lithium hardest है, सबसे हार्ड है. melting point, boiling point of lithium are the highest. Then other alkali metals, it is going to form monoxide, whereas other alkali metals they are going to form peroxide and superoxide. It is strongest reducing agent. Then the other metals, lithium hydroxide को अगर हीट करते हैं तो डिकम्पोज होकर वो टूट के लिथियम ऑक्साइड बनाएगा, वाटर बनाएगा. whereas lithium carbonate it decomposed on heating to gives lithium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. जबकि अदर अल्कली मेटल है जैसे कि सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, सोडियम कार्बोनेट है, they are not going to react or they are not going to give any kind of oxide on heating. Lastly, when we talked about lithium hydrogen carbonate or lithium bicarbonate, it is there in the solution form, or we can say that other than this hydrogen carbonate, all other alkali metal carbonates are there in the solid form. So now we'll see the similarity of the lithium with magnesium. Children, now we see the similarities, how it is similar with magnesium. Due to a similar atomic radius as well as ionic radius, they show diagonal relationship. Now when we talked about the atomic radius of sodium as magnesium as well as lithium, lithium का atomic radius है 152 picometer. Whenever we talked about magnesium, magnesium has a similar with lithium, that is 160 picometer. अगर ionic radius की बात करते हैं तो lithium is containing 76 picometer, that is ionic radius of lithium, and magnesium is having 72 picometer. ये दोनों सिमिलर है कहीं ना कहीं, जिसकी वजह से वो डायगोनल रिलेशनशिप शो करता है. Lithium and magnesium harder and lighter than other respective group members, that is group 1 and group 2. That means कि group 1 के जो भी lithium के अलावा जो एलिमेंट है, group 2 के magnesium के अलावा जो भी एलिमेंट्स है उससे वो harder है और lighter in weight है. When we talked about, then next is when we talked about both. Whenever when we talked about the reaction of the magnesium and lithium with water, whenever they are heated in the presence of water, they liberate hydrogen gas in a very slow rate of reaction. वो हाइड्रोजन लिबरेट करेंगे but the rate of the reaction is very slow for hydrogen gas. Then next when we talked about the reaction of the both of the metal with nitrogen, they produce respective nitrates, that is lithium nitride and magnesium nitride. You can see the reaction over here. 6 mole of lithium when reacted in NO, it produces Li3 and it is lithium nitride, and magnesium it produces magnesium nitride. Children, now we will talk about whenever both of the metals are heated in the presence of oxygen. lithium को अगर ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में हीट करते हैं और मैग्नीशियम को अगर in the presence of oxygen heat करते हैं, they are producing respective monoxide, that is lithium monoxide and magnesium monoxide or magnesium oxide. Last reaction is when we talk about, I have not written over here, already we have discussed right now, it is whenever we talked about the lithium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, they decomposed on heating, produce respective oxide, that is Li2O and MgO along with carbon dioxide gas. That means lithium carbonate या तो magnesium carbonate को respective carbonates को जब भी हम heat करेंगे तो decomposed होके respective oxide और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. That means अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे Li2CO3 है, when I give heat to that particular carbonate, it produce 2Li2O plus 2CO2. You can see here it is a 4 plus 2 6. So ये हीटिंग में जब भी जाएगा तो लिथियम ऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करेगा एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस करेगा प्रोड्यूस, एंड मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट प्रोड्यूस MgO एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. तो दोनों सही तरीके में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस एज वेल एज रिस्पेक्टिव ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करें. उसी तरह हाइड्रोक्साइड की अगर बात करते हैं, इट इज LiOH. Whenever it combos, it produces Li2O and H2. In same manner, when we talk about MgOs twice, only they will produce MgO once too. So both of the particular they are producing hydroxide, and along with it, water, it produce water respectively. And this is about the similarities of the particular carbonates and hydroxide. And last one, both of the sulfate, that is lithium sulfate as well as magnesium sulfate, they do not form any double salts और डबल सल्फेट लाइक एलन फिटकारी जो भी होती है वैसा वो कॉम्प्लेक्स सॉल्ट फॉर्म करेंगे नहीं. सो दिस इज द सिमिलरिटी ऑफ lithium with magnesium. This is the last topic for the alkali metals. Then we are moving to the alkaline earth metal. That is the next topic. See, salts of oxoacid as well as the compounds of sodium, these are going to be omitted from the syllabus. So now directly we are moving on the next particular topic, that is the particular information about the alkali, occurrence of the alkaline earth metal and the physical property of alkaline earth metal. We are going to see that in the next explanation. If you want to copy, then you can copy. Then we are moving to the introduction of this particular alkaline group. alkaline earth metal पे हम चलेंगे कि उसकी occurrence क्या है, कितने members हैं, उसे alkaline earth metal क्यों बोलते हैं. If you have copied, then we are moving to the next particular one. Children, now we will talk about the alkaline earth metal. Group 2 elements की बात करते हैं. Group 2 elements की अगर बात करते हैं तो it starts with magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is 4. Beryllium is 4, then 12, then calcium is 20. और ये सर्कल डाउन atomic number. ये जो सर्कल किए हुए हैं वो है atomic number. और we can see that number of electrons. बेरियम का है 56 and बेरियम का है 80. अगर आपको इसे याद रखना है कैसे रखेंगे, अगर ये याद नहीं रखें, we are adding 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. If you just add 8 into 4, so you are getting the atomic number of magnesium, that is 14. Oh sorry, 12. 12 plus 8, 20, that is the atomic number of calcium. 20 में अगर again 18 ऐड करते हैं तो 38, that is the atomic number of strontium Sr. 38 में अगर 18 ऐड करें 56, that is the atomic number of barium. And 32 if you are adding into barium, we are getting the atomic number for radium. अब अगर ग्रुप 1 और ग्रुप 2 में बात करते हैं तो we are adding 1, 1, 3 plus 1 4, 11 plus 1 12, 19 plus 20, 37 plus 1 38, 55 plus 1 56, 87 plus 8 188. So that is very easy method to just know about the number of electrons as well as atomic numbers. So if you want to copy this, then you can copy. Then we see the occurrence. Occurrence that means वो कहाँ पे मिलता है. So it is like alkali metal, it also having a no free state. Any of the element of group 2 is not there in a free state. It's always there in the combined state. Sodium and potassium, when we talked about, they are highly reactive for group 1. In same manner when we talked about the second group member, occurrence में अगर बात करते हैं, so they are there in the form of silicates, they are there in the form of sulfates, they are there in the form of carbonates, and they are there in the form of phosphate. When we talked about calcium and hydrogen, they are there in the form of bicarbonate, hydrogen carbonate also, and they are the 6th and 7th most abundant elements in the earth crust like sodium and potassium. अगर इसके occurrence की बात करते हैं तो वो अल्कली मेटल की तरह फ्री स्टेट में नहीं दिखेगा. इट इज़ नॉट देयर इन द फ्री स्टेट, कंबाइंड स्टेट में ही होगा. कंबाइंड स्टेट में भी होगा सिलिकेट, सल्फेट, फॉस्फेट, कार्बोनेट्स एंड बाइकार्बोनेट के फॉर्म में होगा. व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट एंड व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर abundant, तो 5th and 6th मोस्ट abundant एलिमेंट है विच आर these are the particular two, that is when we talked about occurrence में अगर बात करते हैं कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम, they are the 5th and 6th मोस्ट abundant एलिमेंट इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट. अगर बात करते हैं रेडियम की, फ्रांसियम की तरह वो भी रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट है. रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट दैट मीन्स उसका जो भी पीरियड है लाइफ टाइम हाफ लाइफ टाइम पीरियड है वो सेकेंड या तो मिनट में होगा. सो यहाँ पे उसका जो भी पीरियड लिखा गया है रेडियम फ्रांसियम के हिसाब से वो 21 मिनट तक ये एटमॉस्फेयर में रहता है, उससे भी कम लाइफ है उसकी रेडियम की. रेडियम इज़ द हाईली रेडिएक्टिव एलिमेंट. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट मैग्नीशियम, मैग्नीशियम इज देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्नेलाइट. Carnallite is nothing but it is a mixture of KCl, that is potassium chloride, MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride, along with 6 mole of water molecule. So carnallite है. When we talk about calcium, वो तो limestone or limestone are there present in the marble when we talk about. So this is the occurrence of when we talk about the group 2 elements. वो फ्री स्टेट में नहीं है चिल्ड्रन, दैट आर दे इन द कंबाइंड फॉर्म. कंबाइंड फॉर्म में भी वो सिलिकेट, सल्फेट, कार्बोनेट, बाइकार्बोनेट के फॉस्फेट के फॉर्म में होगा. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम की बात करते हैं, द फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ मोस्ट एब्ंडेंट एलिमेंट इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट. व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द रेडियम इज द हाईली रेडिएक्टिव एलिमेंट व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट. एंड मैग्नीशियम जो है वो कार्नेलाइट के फॉर्म में होगा, दैट इज KCl and KCl2 into 6 molecule of water. Whereas calcium is in the form of marble, that is limestone, that is CaCO3. CaCO कार्बोनेट के फॉर्म में होगा वो in the atmosphere. So that is about the occurrence. About the general characteristic, that means electronic configuration है उसका, उसकी melting point, boiling point है. When we talked about ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, इसमें electron gain enthalpy होगी नहीं, इसमें ionization enthalpy होगी because it both of the particular group 1 and 2 has tendency to lose the electron. So ionization enthalpy we'll talk about. And then we talked about the flame, उसका फ्लेम नेचर कैसा है, वो कौन से कलर की फ्लेम देता है, दैट विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. प्लीज काइंडली कीप watching the video so you have idea that how much particular topic is there going to be teach in the particular respective class. Thank you and have a nice day.